Recommended third-party apps for LG Smart TVs.
In this video, we'll be discussing some of the best third-party apps that you can install on your LG Smart TV. With these apps, you can enhance your viewing experience and make the most out of your smart TV. Let's dive in.
What are the best streaming apps for LG Smart TV?
1. Plex, a popular media server app that allows you to stream your favorite movies, TV shows, and music from your computer or NAS device to your LG Smart TV. 2. Kodi, an open-source media center app that provides access to a variety of add-ons, enabling you to stream movies, TV shows, live sports, and more. 3. VLC Media Player, a versatile and powerful media player that supports a wide range of audio and video formats, making it easy to play your media files on your LG Smart TV.
What are some top gaming apps for LG Smart TV?
1. GameFly Streaming, a cloud gaming service that allows you to play high-quality games on your LG Smart TV without the need for a separate gaming console. 2. Steam Link, an app that lets you stream your Steam games from your computer to your LG Smart TV, allowing you to enjoy your favorite PC games on the big screen.
How can I improve my LG Smart TV's functionality with utility apps?
1. SmartThings, an app that turns your LG Smart TV into a hub for controlling your smart home devices, such as lights, thermostats, and security cameras. 2. Wake on LAN, a useful app that enables you to remotely turn on your computer by sending a magic packet over your local network.
Are there any recommended fitness apps for LG Smart TV?
1. Fitbit Coach, an app that brings personalized workout routines and coaching to your LG Smart TV, helping you stay fit and motivated at home. 2. Daily Burn, a fitness app that offers a wide range of workout programs and exercise routines to suit your fitness level and goals. In this video, we covered some of the best third-party apps that you can install on your LG Smart TV, including streaming, gaming, utility, and fitness apps. By taking advantage of these apps, you can unlock the full potential of your LG Smart TV and enhance your viewing experience. Happy streaming!